It seemed that the COVID pandemic had given people the opportunity to indulge in various arts and crafts activities throughout the years 20 and 1. Aaron hadn't been able to get into the fads himself, as when the COVID first arrived, he was stuck on a boat. Ah, yes, that was before the curse, wasn't it? Back when you could still... Anyway, since escaping the floaty prison, Aaron was able to fully catch up on any crazes, fads and activities he'd missed out on until the cows did indeed come home. Mainly baking sourdough bread. This particular hobby very much had its ups and downs. But more often than not, this method yielded something edible, so Aaron thought he ought to share it with you all. Now isn't that nice? So, let's start off with some tips and tricks, shall we? Firstly, it's important to know baking sourdough bread takes time and patience. But Aaron seems to find it therapeutic and believes it should be a relaxing activity, so let's sit back and try to enjoy it. Now here's all the things you will need. For starters, starting with a healthy starter is essential. Make sure it has been fed the day before. If you would like to see a video on how Aaron started his starter to start with, then leave a comment in the box of comments below. And if you enjoy these videos, why not subscribe? There'll be more soon. Aaron's curse depends. But now Aaron will make the dough. Let's observe what unfolds and take notes on any recipe tips along the way.
Got to find a lid, then you must cover your dough, then wait for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes. for 30 minutes. Then wait for 30 minutes. Sunday, Sundays, Sundays, Sundays. Sourdough bread, sourdough bread, hair, sourdough bread, sourdough bread, hair.
Well, I must say, that doesn't look great. Not a great rise on that one, is there? That's what you get for being cocky and filming something that you haven't tried out previously. Nonetheless, Aaron told me it was in fact the crumb he was going for, despite the rather sad shape. But to prove that this method does in fact work, he baked another loaf. This time he actually followed his own recipe. That's better, isn't it? I do hope you enjoyed this one. Aaron tells me that cooking is one of his most enjoyed activities, as well, of course, as computer video games, wildlife photography, and being a coffee table drummist. So maybe we'll see some more soon. Who knows? As always, give us a thumbs up. But only if you liked it, or else the curse will...